In today's video, we will learn how to create camera freeze frame effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's jump into the timeline. Here is the simple video footage and I will freeze on this part. Select video layer and go to the insert frame hold segment. Now select this layer and delete it. Then I will duplicate this layer. Press Alt on this keyboard. Then go to effect and search white and black. Drag this effect onto the V1 layer. Now I'll turn off this layer. You will see the picture has color change, black and white. Then select this layer and go to the effect control panels. Reduce the scale value and change rotation angle. Now I will drag camera view PNG file. I will increase this 2 layer and cut this PNG file adjust the same direction. I will provide the camera view PNG file in my description below. If you need it, download it from there. Then select second layer and go to the effect control panels and copy the motion section and paste the camera view layer. Increase the scale value and fix the position. And then I will add a white color matte. Select this 2 layer and move off. Then go to the position panel and create color matte. You will choose any color if you want. I'll choose white color and drag it. Now I will again copy this setting and paste it color matte layer. Increase the scale value and unmark the uniform scale. Then decrease scale white. It looks interesting now. In this time I will select the 3 layer and nest it. Then select next layer and go to the effect control panels. Now enable the scale and rotation keyframes and move it. Increase the scale value and change the rotation angle. Select keyframe both and apply ease in ease out effect. Now if I play the video, you will see the effect has complete. Add camera sound effect and zoom in sound effect here. We will apply the sound effect right before they start so that it looks better. Now if I play the video, you will see the entire effect. To learn more amazing video editing tricks like this, check out our previous videos. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our next videos.